Thank you very much. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Luke, LM Learning Platform. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And today we'll be looking at variation. Variation is a topic which comes in paper 1. And we're going to look at a question which came in 2021, paper 1. And it read, it is given that y varies directly as 2x and inversely as z squared, and y is equals to 4, x is equals to 8, and z is equals to 2. And the question reads, find the value of k as our first question A, which is constant of the variation. And the next question is, find the value of y when x is equals to 27, z is equals to 3. Then the last question was, find the values of z when x is equals to 24, y is equals to 3. So let's go now. How you do away with this question is that, first of all, you need to come up with the equation. Looking at the question there, it is saying that given that y varies directly as x, so we write y varies directly. So directly meaning you're multiplying a constant with that equation. So since it varies directly as the constant will multiply with 2x. And then they continue to say that and inversely as z squared. So meaning the inverse of z, it also varies as the inverse of z squared. So we know that the inverse is just the same as reciprocal. And here just to say it is going to be over z squared. So now this is the equation. You can formulate a final equation as y is equals to k 2x over z squared. You formulated the equation. So now, in the equation there, you have been given the value of y as 4, the value of x as 8, and the value of z as 2. So meaning, here is where you have a shortage. And the first question is requiring us to find the same k, which is called the constant of variation. So I hope we are following, guys. Let me wrap just this first part because I don't have enough space to write all. So it is y equal to k x over z squared. This is just the same as, if you want, you can start with 2kx or what, but whatever, it just means the same because there's a multiplication sign there which is invisible. So we're going to substitute now. What is our y there? Our y is, of course, 4 equal to our k, we don't know. Then 2, then our x we've been given to be 8. Then our z is 2 squared. Okay, so 4 will come equal to, then we multiply, we have 16k, because 2 by 8 will give us 16. Then our 2 squared is going to be 4. Then here we have single fractions, we just simply cross multiply. Then 4 by 4 it will give us 16 equal to 16k. Probably our constant is going to be 1 because 16 divided by 16. So our k is going to be 1. And you have the 1 mark right there. So hope, guys, you have understood the first one. So we go to the second one, which says that the value of y when x is equals to 27, z is equals to 3. So I'm going to wrap out this. So keep in mind the equation to be y is equals to k. Since k we found to be 1, so we substitute now. It is just the same as k x then over by z squared. So since k is 1, so we're going to have the final now to be just 2x over z squared. Because the 1 symbolizes it is going to multiply, then you have 2x. 1 by 2x, we have 2x. So, and then they are saying that when find the value of y x is 27, z is 3. So you are going to bring it like this. 2, x is 27 out of z is 3, and we know that z is squared, 3 squared. So our final, we're going to have 1 is equal to 2 by 27, sum of 14, 4, and 5, so 54 over 3 by 3 squared is going to give us 9. So 1 will be equal to 9 into 54, probably going to give us 6. 6. So our y is equal to 6. We go to the next question, question C, which says that find the values of z when x is 24, y is 3. So it's just the same. The equation keeps the same as constant. There's no need of changing it. So y is equal to 2x, a new equation now, since we found the value of k, which is constant, to be 1. So it will just be 2x over z squared. Then we'll make substitutions again. Since we're finding the values of z, so y we have been given that it is 3. Then 2, our x we have been given that it is 24 over z squared. So now 24 by that one is going to give us 48. So we're going to have 3, if we cross multiply, 3z squared equal to 48. So now here we will just divide by 3 first. Divide by 3. So now we have z squared is equal to 3 into, so we just go direct, 3 into 4 is 1, remainder, giving us a remainder of 1. 3 into 18 is 6. So now, here you just simply square root, because we just want to get rid of this square. So z will be equal to, the square root of 16 is going to be 4. Since they said that the values of z, so meaning this, the square root of 16 can either be positive or negative. So z is going to be 4 or negative 4. You're done. You have your 4 marks right there. Thank you very much.